about 4 months ago. I think 3 months ago. This is Leo. He just got neutered this week and he's in really good spirits considering. And this is my kitchen and living area. So the first thing that I really wanted was a lot of flexibility in here for a small space. So I have this entry table that doubles as my dining table. So if I pull up 2 extra chairs, I can set 4 place settings here. And if I pull it away from the wall, I can add maybe 5. It's a great versatile piece that I can set up for guests when they come over for dinner. My kitchen is really kind of awkwardly luxurious because it used to be a model kitchen for this neighborhood that I live in. I work with a developer, so this used to be the sales center and they turned it back into an apartment for me to live in. It's got really beautiful bleached wood cabinetry, and the hardware was designed by my boss, Pam Sessions, and it's really beautiful. It's also got a built-in coffee maker and a really nice gas range, which is really important to me because my family is big on cooking. And I grew up helping my parents cook dinner every night. Over here, I added a dresser to the end of the island to help fill this space in. And it really helps because I actually don't have any closets in this apartment, so I'm really short on storage. So I added all of my winter clothes and sweaters to this dresser. I love this area because there's so much light from all these windows. I really wanted to use a modular sofa or sectional that would kind of frame the wall and be at the perimeter of the room so that I could really use the space most efficiently. So this piece is from Article. It is the GABA modular sofa and I really love it. It's so comfortable. And I added these little ottomans so it would really stretch out along the length of the sofa. So now let's head over to my bedroom quarters. My bedroom and bathroom are behind these curtains, which I added. It used to just be an open doorway, but I really wanted to close off the space and make it more private back there. And also, curtains are such a great way to divide space. Come back here. Welcome to my bedroom. In here, I'm not finished yet, but I really wanted like a super soothing space. So I've got a blue headboard that's pale blue, and all of the artwork on these walls is actually my own. That's something that I want to get more into. Get back to painting and drawing. I just put everything up to kind of inspire me in here. And I also insisted on having a king-size bed because I feel like down the line that's going to be the size that I want. So I went ahead and went with a king in here, and eventually I'll get another nightstand to match that one on the other side. But I've got 2 of my rug samples here from my Labyrinth collection by Kevin Francis Design, and I will be changing this space up. So follow along on the blog for more updates of this room. So let's head to the bathroom now. So welcome to my little bathroom. It's super cozy and moody in here. I love the wallpaper that was here when I moved in. So all of the fixtures, everything had already been selected, but I love how dark it is and it just feels very handsome. So I left out all of my skincare because I'm a skincare freak. I have so many products. There's more underneath the vanity, but I just have everything in that bin in the corner to keep it kind of organized. So I actually have photos of both my grandfathers in here. I've got my mom's dad here, and then my father's dad here, and his pledge class from when he went to Emory here in Atlanta, which is kind of fun to look at while I'm using the toilet. This is my shower with really pretty slate tile walls, which smell really good. Kind of weird, but it smells really good when they're wet. I don't know why. Welcome to my library / study / media room. / could be the second bedroom, but I painted the walls dark chocolate brown and tried to make it really cozy in here, and really wanted it to be like this dark cocoon where I could watch movies and TV and hang out. So it's a little bit more casual and comfortable So many pillows and throws, super cozy. I've got this sectional here, which funny enough, I measured a couple times, not great with numbers, and thought it would fit, thought it wouldn't fit, thought I had to take out a section or something. But when I got it in the room, it fit perfectly with this wall. And so it looks like it was made for the room, which is amazing. I've got this great crane wallpaper, which is kind of oversized. And in the center, I have this mirror, which my grandfather actually made, which is really fun. He was super creative. And so I love having that piece in here. This lamp is one of my favorites because the room is sort of traditional, but the spikes on here are so funky and add a little edge to the room, and that's so my style, so I love that detail. And then I also have a portrait of my mom over here, which I love because I'm a mama's boy, so it's just nice to have that little piece of her in my apartment. So that's everything. Thanks for coming by. And stay tuned on the blog for more decorating from this apartment. I'll see you soon.